Hi, I'm Win from REMAX CondoDee, and today we do our next property tour. We start in BTS Asoke as usual. Our office is also located here. This is the center of Bangkok and maybe a center of entire Thailand. And today we are going to see a condo of Sansiri Public Company, one of top Thai developers. And this specific condominium called Baan Siri Sukhumvit 10. It's a little bit older building located in Sukhumvit, Soi 10. And Harrison, my agent, is waiting for me there. I will walk from BTS Asoke to the condominium. Let's count how long it takes to come from BTS Asoke to Baan Siri Sukhumvit 10. We always want to provide you the best tours in Bangkok, and you can enjoy our videos without coming to Bangkok during these difficult pandemic times. If you have some specific requests, don't be shy to put a comment here in our video with your requests. If you have any suggestions, we are always happy to listen you. If you have any inquiries, contact us. Our contact details here on the screen as usual, and don't forget to like our videos and to subscribe. The best is to push notification button to receive alerts about our new videos. Let's go see how far is Baan Siri Sukhumvit 10 from BTS Asoke.
I'm Harrison from REMAX CondoDee. Today I'll be taking you to Nana. In Nana area we have a low-rise building. This building is called Baan Siri Sukhumvit 10. I walked from the BTS Nana, it took me around 5 minutes. It's around 300 meters away from the BTS. If you're looking for a low-rise project in the center of Bangkok, this building is only 8 floors, surrounded by greenery near the park. This building has 118 units. There's 2 buildings, A and B. The swimming pools is in the middle between both buildings. Also, this building is 38% for selling. It's 38% above the average price in Bangkok, and for renting, it's 13% above the average price in Bangkok. Today we'll be going inside and we'll be showing you the facilities and the lobby.